Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to resolve an issue when you're trying to open up VMware virtual machines. And when you're trying to open it up, you receive an error alert stating basically that the virtual machine appears to be in use. And if you left click on take ownership, you'll still get an error saying that taking ownership of this virtual machine failed. So we're going to do a workaround for this today. This has happened to me before, and it's very annoying when it happens, so I'm going to do a brief walkthrough of how to resolve this. So we're going to head into our documents folder or wherever the virtual machines are saved to. And we're going to look for any file that has a .lck on the end. We're going to just highlight over all of them. So it depends on what your virtual machine is called. It's just mine. I named it Windows 7 to keep it simple. And we're going to right click on it on all the folders, and we're going to left click on delete. There we go. And now if we go back into VMware and we try and open it up, we see that it should work. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.